Good day, everyone, and today we'll talk about the critical importance of using switchable terminals for firmware conductors in accordance with BS 7671, Section 526.9.1. This section states that to avoid inappropriate separation or spreading of individual wires of firmware conductors, suitable terminals shall be used or ends treated. This will help to ensure proper connection, which is very better for safety, reliability, and performance in electrical systems. But why is it important that we use proper terminals? Well, just like I've mentioned, using the correct terminals for firmware conductors prevents issues such as loose connections, increased resistance, and potential safety hazard. So, proper terminals ensure durable electrical continuity and also adequate mechanical strength. But there can be some questions about the kind of conductors that is being mentioned here. For example, it mentioned about motorwire conductor, it talks about firmware conductor and very firmware conductors. Well, I'll be making another video to explain in details the difference between multi-wire conductor, firmware conductors, and very firmware conductors, and how can you identify them. But for now, generally, this kind of conductors are made of multiple strands and they're generally flexible. So, but here we've thought about the kind of proper terminals that we should use when connecting this type of conductors. One that I would like to mention is Ferrules. Yes, Ferrules are great, and most electricians use Ferrules. And generally, the metal tubes crimped onto the end of stranded wire, and it helps to prevent fraying and it ensures a solid connection, just like the one you're seeing on the screen right now. And another good example is the pin terminals. And these ones, they have pin that is inserted into a terminal block or connector, and this helps to provide a secure connection for fine wire conductors. A very popular one that most people do know also is the Crimp terminals, such as spades, rings, blade terminals, and they are generally crimped onto the wire, just like we crimp the ferrules also. And it's also crucial to use crimp terminals that are rated for fine wire conductors. It's also good to know that. Other option is solder terminals, and this one involves soldering the fine wire conductor to the terminals, and this helps to ensure that the connection is strong and reliable. And an example of what you can categorize to be appropriate terminal is a spring clamp terminal. And just like what you're seeing on the screen now, they use spring mechanism to clamp down on wires and helps to provide a secure connection without the need for crimping or soldering. And this is a way that is widely acceptable and common among electricians because it saves a lot of time. A good example of that may come to our mind is something like the wobble connectors that we all know, and this is very great. This personally I've used over the years and it's working great for me. So in conclusion, using appropriate terminals for firmware conductors is essential for maintaining the integrity of electrical connection, and these practices ensure safety, reliability, and optimal performance in the electrical system.